So this is how you can block FaceTime calls. It's actually a very simple fix. The first one we can do is go to our contacts and then tap on that I button. This is the information on that specific contact. So for example, I want to block this contact. What you're going to want to do is tap on block caller and it's going to block everything. Messages, calls, and whatever they can do with your contact. If you don't want to block them fully, you can actually go on ahead and just simply go back and then swipe down to the control panel. Now, hold your do not disturb button and simply open up do not disturb. This will block any calls, any messages, any kind of notification that will come through your phone unless you allow it. And basically, it's a good way to block FaceTime calls. So if you truly don't want your FaceTime calls, simply turn on do not disturb. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Once again, the first step or the first tip is by blocking the caller and cutting off all sorts of information from that caller, or scroll down the control panel, hold this, and then tap on do not disturb. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.